Today, 29 years ago, I was born in a place called Nanhai in the south, with my father at the young age of 24 naming me Ruizhou. Although at that time, I was just an unknown small studio, my father, at the cost of selling his beloved SUZUKI motorcycle, bought me a 386 model computer. I became the first computer shoe design studio in Guangdong province. Since then, the genes of embracing new things were engraved in my blood. My father and I, with determination, embarked on adventurous journeys in that year full of opportunities. The development of the times brought us many choices. Faced with a dazzling array of gifts, we finally grasped a box called a cutting machine, turned the key at destiny, and embarked on a path full of challenges, yet brimming with hope. After 9 years of precipitation and accumulation, in 2004, we launched the first domestically developed electrostatic adsorption series computer cutting machine, opening the door to domestic production of cutting machines. Subsequently, we successively introduced the first domestically produced CNC leather cutting machine in 2006, the first computer numerical control cutting machine serving the automotive floor mat industry 2010, and the first large format intelligent CNC cutting machine in China 2015. Our clientele essentially covers the entire flexible material manufacturing industry. In 2016, we encountered Guangdong's big brother, Code Group, which was undergoing a transformation in the large-scale personalized production model of the clothing industry. For the entire market, this was a new challenge. My rebellious father said, "No, why should we be inferior to imported equipment?" Because of this statement, my family embarked on a round-the-clock research and development journey for this reform. After dozens of negotiations, hundreds of design drawings, and thousands of iterations, we finally completed a satisfactory delivery and launched the world's first clothing personalized air projection solution. Afterward, we continued to explore needs in the clothing industry, constantly developing and launching new products. By 2020, we became a premium supplier in the clothing industry, among the top 100 domestic custom clothing enterprises, with 90% using our products. Since then, Ruizhou is no longer the quiet and unknown small studio of the past, but has become a well-known smart cutter in the intelligent cutting machine industry. The domestic no-energy vehicle industry is booming, and in 2021, we also launched a solution in the genuine leather automotive sector. This encompasses a comprehensive genuine leather scanning, nesting, and cutting system solution, featuring innovative AI visual scanning technology, cloud nesting technology, and more. In the automotive industry, we can cut not only car floor mats, interiors, and genuine leather seats, but also effortlessly handle graphene carbon fiber. In the past year, 2023, we proudly became the intelligent cutting machine supplier for leading automotive companies like BYD and NIO. Today, I am celebrating my 29th birthday. Along this journey, I've encountered numerous challenges and setbacks. Met different people, some joined us as family, some became clients, and some turned into friends. Grateful for the unwavering support over these 29 years. You have transformed me into us. Witnessing the evolution from a small street-side studio to a little giant enterprise with its headquarters and factory in the bustling area of Nanhai. Fortune. This has been a journey toward the life, and now we stand at a brand new starting point. What lies ahead remains unknown, but we will continue on this path, filled with challenges and hopes, with the same perseverance and passion from the beginning.